Yes, people, FadaGugs is here today, coming to you on a Sunday with another simple but effective video. Today's video, I'll be making cucumber juice. I'll be putting in some ginger, lemon, and I'll be sweetening it with some honey. But as usual, before we get into the video, I would like to just talk a little bit about the health benefits of all these ingredients. The cucumber, a lot of people think that cucumber is a vegetable, but actually the cucumber, it's a fruit. It's high in beneficial nutrients as well as certain plant compound and antioxidant that may help to treat and prevent some condition. Also, the cucumber is low in calories and have a good amount of water and soluble fiber, making them ideal for promote, hydrate, and aiding in weight loss. And if you notice, a lot of people, when they're making a weight loss drink, they put a slice of cucumber inside it. Cucumber is good for the body. Next, the ginger. Ginger have a very long history in various forms of traditional medicine. It is being used to aid digestion, reduce nausea, and help to fight the common cold. That's just a few of the benefits that the ginger have to offer. Lemon. Lemon aiding digestion. The acid helps to break down our food. The lemon, it also helps us to stay hydrated because a lot of us don't really drink a lot of water. So the lemon, as I said before, helps us to stay hydrated. That's just a brief information about all the ingredients that I've got here. I'll be putting in a more detailed one down below. So if you want a more detailed description of the benefits, what these have to offer, just look down below and you'll find it. Let's go ahead and get all these ingredients prepared to be blended. I've washed these ingredients already, so make sure you wash all the ingredients before you start to wash off all of the dirt, the bacteria and everything that's on it. We'll be using the lemon for last, just like for sweetening, because I don't know how much lemon we're going to be needing. So we're going to put the lemon to the side and just start with the cucumber and the ginger. So you got your blender. So basically what you're going to do is just cut off the top of the cucumber and just cut off the cucumber in some small pieces, so that's it more easier for the blender. And for this video I'll be using 2 cucumber, a nice piece of ginger, and as I said before, at the end we will see how much lemon we're going to be using. Maybe we use 1, maybe we use 2. It all down to your taste, how sour you like it. So yeah, just cut up the cucumber in some small pieces and drop them in. Yep, as I said, cut off the top and bottom. Yep. This is a very refreshing drink. This is one of the drinks I made every Sunday. Yeah, once you got a bit of ice on it, that's it. It's nice and refreshing. There we have it. That's the cucumber. Now we're just going to use just a nice piece of ginger. And it's the same thing with the ginger. Just cut it up fine. Make sure, as I said before, you wash the ingredients. You wash out all the dirt inside it. Put a good piece of ginger inside it, so you can have that nice ginger taste combined with the cucumber. Just cut it up as fine as possible, so that it's more easier for the blender. Then what you do, just throw it in the blender. I think I'll put a piece more ginger inside it. I want mine to be well gingery. I think that should be it. Then let's get this out of the way. So this is it. So now I'm going to be adding about 2 cups of water. You don't really need to add a lot of water to this drink because the cucumber have a lot of water inside it, so you don't really need to put too much water inside it. That should be it. Then I'm gonna place the lid on and start the process of blending. So I have my blender. There we go. Let me just adjust this a bit for you. Yep. So let's start the process of blending. Yes, people, back again. So we already finished blending up the thing. So now I'm gonna be straining it. Yeah, it smells nice. You can smell the richness of the ginger inside it. So what you need to do now, just get your straining cloth, or you can even use a strainer, but today I'm going to be using a straining cloth, and just pour out all that goodness inside it. Just move this to the side a bit. Then all you need to do with the cloth, just lift the cloth and just watch all that goodness coming out. And the good thing with the straining cloth is you can squeeze every bit of juice outside it. Yeah, that's nice. That is nice. Just squeeze it until all the juice come out. Yep, there you have it. I think that's it. So now get your spoon. We're going to be sweetening it now. So now you need to get your strainer, place it, then you need to cut your lemon. And as I said before, I don't know if we're going to be using all the lemon. The reason why you're using a strainer is just to catch any seed or any pulp that you don't want in the juice. To just strain the lemon. Oops, a seed fall in it. So I'm putting in 1 lemon Then I'm going to be tasting it first, and then see if I really need the other lemon. So that's it. So let's give it a mix. And give it a taste. I think I'm going to put the other lemon inside it, which already been cut. So yeah, let's put the other lemon inside it. This should do it. And as I said before, you sweeten it to your taste. So if you only want to use 1 lemon, you go ahead and use 1 lemon. If you want to put an extra lemon in it, it's all up to you. Let me see now. I have a tester. Yeah, that is nice. You can taste the ginger and the lemon combined together. And now you put about 2 tablespoons of honey, and yet again you can sweeten it to your taste. Everybody have a different taste to certain things, so if you want to put more honey, less honey, or you can even drink it just like that with the cucumber, the ginger and the lemon. Let me test. Yeah, that is nice. Very healthy and delicious. Just gonna put it in a glass and let you see the lovely juice. Yes people, so this is the final product here. Get my glass and I'll just pour a bit, let you see the goodness. So as I said before, this can be classed as a healthy weight loss drink. There you have it. Just put a piece of cucumber just to kind of decorate it a bit presentation wise. Yep, it's a cucumber. Here you have it. Put a couple piece of ice cube in it as well. Just make it, yeah, that look nice. So there you have it people. That's the final product. If you like the video, please make sure say you like, you subscribe, turn on the post notification so you can receive many videos from FadaGugs like this one. You can also share it with your friends and your family. For now, FadaGugs is out.